Today we are going to be cooking. Ne? If you don't know where I'm at the rest of the University of Zululand. So if you wanna see me, apply for next year. Okay, let's get it. I do not know anything about cooking, but let's cook. And the first thing that I have to do is to, I have to. What is this? I have to wash the pots. Fuck. And during light time, it is not at the right angle or position, but so. In the camera now. And guys, the camera. Okay, so the pay I'm pot. I cannot show you I'm put down no charger. But yeah, get paid. I know. What if I showed you? Yeah, I'm cooking. Firstly, I have to wash the pots. Yeah, I don't care about my pot. And all the things that I'm going to use. But it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. Yeah, bro. Because as long as it's all otherwise I'm in your mood. Okay, as long as I'm put the fast in it, then Sobuya, spend this big food. Okay, so no thing that you wash my pot in it. Because we have to rinse the pot. We have to rinse them. We have to. I do not know about you, but I, for one, I do rinse my pots because they have to be thoroughly clean. And I'm trying to my mom. So cooking for myself, I never done that. Not even if she left me alone, I would wait for her to come back and cook for me. Because I was a mama's boy, all the way. And that is all for now. So now I have to rinse my pots. Let's rinse them together. Together forever. I love you, boo. Rinsing my pot. You know the show list goes like cooking with Kaya. Yeah. Better watch the show. But yeah, I'm cooking, dog. I'm cooking. So now that I'm all set, I'm gonna rinse out the sink where I was washing my pots, so that I can have more space. And yeah, I'm taking my pot. I'm putting it here. Cooking. But I know that you have to pour water in, so as far as you wanna see closer. You wanna stay closer to me. So then we pour hot water. After we pour the water, you know what I'm about to say. We need the salt. If we not try, humble keep it try. If we not try, humble keep it try. But yeah, we do need the salt though. Cooking with AV. Yeah, I think that is enough. Cooking with AV. Let's cook and get it. We can cook and get it at the same time. Do you know what I mean? I'm saying we can cook and get it at the same time. Okay. So the next thing is to wait for the water to boil. Let's wait for the water to boil. Meanwhile, I'm waiting for the water to boil. You guys focus on me. Chop, 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 hey. Bangitshele mzala, yo bangiphuza utshwala ba. Utshwala ba. Tshwala ba. Guys, uzane rest like apply next year. Finish your matric, then come to the University of Zululand. This is the place to be, Baba. This is the place to be. Oh, so as you can see, the pot is boiling. So that is the indication that I must pour in the maize. So let's pour it together, ne? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, okay. 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 Let's do it. Okay. I don't know if you can see on your side, but I can on my side. Okay. Okay. I think I did too much. Yeah. And some people believe that if you cut actually boop, you have to wait. No, you have to stay immediately. Yeah, it's coming together. You want me to show you? You want to see this? Okay, it's here as you can see, I'm cooking here. I'm cooking. Bare necessities. 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 I don't know where I get that from, but it's bare necessities. Bare necessities. Oh, the Jungle Book. Do you know about the Jungle Book? Okay. Meanwhile, I wait. I'm gonna cut the video a little bit, then we can continue again. You won't believe this. I'm done cooking the pap. The pap is ready. Do you want to see it? I'm done cooking the pap. The pap is ready. In 3, 2, 1. Let's check the pap. So this is the pap. The pap is ready. And you know what time it is. It is time to dish up. Time to dish up. Currently, I cannot cook meat because I did not know how, so I'll just go for the eggs. I'll just go for the eggs. Let me go fetch my eggs. Let me go fetch my eggs. My eggs. Not my eggs, my eggs. Not my eggs, my eggs. Yo, I egg. Yeah, okay, so now is the time to dish up. It's the time to dish up. Better dish up. I wish I can show you my whole set, but I can't. My ring light won't allow it for me, but I'm dishing up. We cook, we dish up, we eat. That's how the process goes. We cook, we dish up, we eat. We cook, we dish up, we eat. And I should have a female friend to help me cook. What do you guys think? I know that you guys think of something, but what is that thing? Like, what is that thing that you guys are thinking of? Yeah, well, so let me cook up, dish up, cook up, and do it over again and again. Cook up, dish up. I think this amount is sufficient. Do not have to dish up the whole thing. Now, so now I have to make the eggs. So let's make them. One of a kind, Unizulu cup. I'm going to be using it to make up my eggs. Bishop, markup Bishop. Umhlaba kanino. La 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 la. Umhlaba kanino. Okay, take one. Let's go. One. I'm so scared. But I forgot. The oil. I forgot to bring in the oil. Just imagine the oil. Give me a second. I'm back again. Now I have the oil. So let's cook. I have the oil. Let's cook. Just a little amount of oil. Then swiggle up the pot. Swiggle it. Just cook. Next thing, we add in the salt. The salt, baby. But if I had the spice, I would have added them. You can't aromats. You were not even born when that commercial was playing. You can't aromats. So this is my egg. You have to stir it. Okay. Now we go to the final touches of my cooking process. We are going to be cooking every day as far as YouTube is concerned. I'm a vlogger, son. I make vlog videos of everything I do. Do you think this is a vlog? Not sure or what, but this is my channel. Make sure you subscribe. How did I forget that? Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and there's more content coming. As I say every day, that the content is coming each and every fucking day. Sorry for saying fucking, but content is coming. Okay, I wish I can show you, but the camera wouldn't allow it for me to show you. The camera does not allow it, as you can see. So it's better if the camera is up there and I'm cooking here, but I'll show you the end result. Cooking with AV, cooking with AV, cooking with AV, cooking with AV. Cooking with AV, cooking with AV, cooking with AV. Let's cook. Okay, so the egg is nearly done. That's what I said. The egg is nearly done. What's up? The egg is nearly done. Oh! Woo! No, I get it, but cooking is not for me. No, I was trying to toss it, so this open the lid, but young fool like. But I managed to flip it. Egg flip. The next time I'll buy a pan, then I'll be like, flip. Okay, then I'm done cooking. It has been a process that that I've never experienced before, but as you can see, this is my meal. My meal is ready. So thank you guys for staying with me and watching this video. Make sure you guys subscribe and like, leave a comment. That will mean the best to me. Right now it's time for me to eat. Do you want to see me eat? Do you want to see me? Maybe we'll schedule that for another video. But as for me, everywhere else though, please you guys make sure you like and subscribe. I'm out.